Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Financial Modeling Tutorials. Chapter 12, How to Build a Forecasting Model in Excel. Welcome to our guide on how to build a forecasting model in Excel. Forecasting models are essential tools for predicting future financial performance based on historical data and trends. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create a robust forecasting model that can help you make informed business decisions. Step 1. Define your objectives. Begin by defining the purpose of your forecasting model. Determine what you want to forecast, such as sales, expenses, or cash flows, and establish the key metrics and time frame for your forecast. Clear objectives will guide the structure and focus of your model. Step 2. Gather historical data. Collect relevant historical data related to the variable you want to forecast. This data could include sales figures, expense reports, or production volumes. Ensure the data is accurate, comprehensive, and organized chronologically, as it forms the basis for your forecast. Step 3. Set up your Excel workbook. Create a new Excel workbook and set up the structure. Typically, you'll need tabs for Historical Data. Input your historical data in a dedicated tab. This will be used to identify trends and patterns. Assumptions. Document key assumptions that will drive your forecasts, such as growth rates or seasonal factors. Forecast calculations. Build your forecasting models in this tab using historical data and assumptions. Results. Display the results of your forecasts, including charts and summary statistics. Step 4. Analyze historical data. In the Historical Data tab, organize your data and use Excel's built-in functions to analyze it. Create charts and graphs to visualize trends, seasonal patterns, and any anomalies. This analysis helps in selecting the appropriate forecasting method. Step 5. Develop forecasting models. Choose a forecasting method based on your analysis. Common methods include moving averages. Calculate the average of historical data points over a specific period to smooth out fluctuations and identify trends. Exponential smoothing. Apply weights to historical data, giving more importance to recent observations while smoothing out older data. Linear regression. Use historical data to fit a linear model that predicts future values based on the relationship between variables. Implement these methods in the Forecast Calculations tab, applying the formulas and techniques relevant to your chosen method. Ensure that your model accounts for any seasonal variations or cyclical patterns. Step 6. Validate the model. Once your model is built, validate its accuracy by comparing the forecasted results with actual historical data. Check the model's performance and adjust if necessary. Use metrics such as mean absolute error, MAE, or root mean square error, RMSE, to evaluate forecast accuracy. Step 7. Present the results in the Results tab. Display your forecasts using tables, charts, and graphs. Visualizations help in interpreting the data and communicating your findings effectively. Ensure that your results are clear and actionable. Step 8. Review and update. Regularly review and update your forecasting model as new data becomes available or assumptions change. This will help keep your forecasts accurate and relevant. Conclusion. Building a forecasting model in Excel involves defining objectives, gathering historical data, selecting the right forecasting methods, and presenting your results effectively. By following these steps, you can create a powerful tool for predicting future performance and making informed decisions. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into financial modeling and forecasting techniques.